Hey, what's up? This is Spider Prime 1 back again with another Transformers video review. Alright, I have in front of me what has to be one of the earliest Transformers figures I got. Sometime around the same time I got the Armada Darksaber and Transformers, Star Wars crossovers, Darth Vader. And one thing I have to say, the reason why I got this is because I really like trains. And I was at a train show and they had like 5,000 boxes of these. And so I figured I'd pick one up. Because I was still that was before I really became involved in Transformers. And I was just like, ooh, 3 trains that turn into a giant robot, that's pretty cool. And so, here they are. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video also, I originally wasn't going to do this, but I was watching Thew. I was watching his knockoff Transformer reviews, and I saw his version of it, which is like the third crappy remake of these, and he said that he's never seen like the original version of this, and to the best of my knowledge, this is the original version. So I figured I'd do a review and then send him a link so that he could see it. But I'm also going to do it for you guys too. So, and no, I don't have the box anymore. I don't know how to look this up and find it without getting all the Thomas remakes. Which, by the way, I'm so disappointed at. Why would you stick Thomas on something like this? But I don't know its name. I don't know if the 3 different engines have their own names. But I always called it Rail Racer until I saw Transformers RID and saw the real Rail Racer. But since I don't have that, I still call this Rail Racer. Because his face does look a lot like Rail Racer. So, moving on. We'll save this one till last. We'll do the blue and green ones first. This actually is my favorite out of the 3. I just love the way this one looks. Yeah, it just looks really nice. It's a 460, which is a 10-wheeler for all you train buffs out there. I think this one is yeah, this one's a Pacific, not counting the little fake rollers under the drivers. And this one's a 082, I guess, if we're counting these. And if we're not, it's an 080. And that one actually is a real wheel type, an 080. But off the top of my head, I cannot remember what it's called. But it does have an official term. So anyways, the blue and the green one both do the exact same thing. You pop the front off, and you pop the back off. And then with the middle piece, you come back here, and flip this, and go like that. And then with this, I'm going to fold this out. I'm going to take this, and fold this out. And there's that. I'm going to do the same with the green one. And there you go. So those are the arms and the legs. And I have some DVD cases I'm going to set underneath my iPad so I can get the whole thing in view. Or I'll just hold it, one of the two. And now for the red one. Pull this piece off. And take these wings. And fold it up like so. And then what you want to do is you want to split, bring down, fold, fold, and then peg, hole, and then there's the body. And you take the blue arm and put it in on this side, green arm, put it in on this side, blue leg, and green leg. And before I tilt him up, there is a shield, which goes on the green arm, because it has a peg on the outside. And then there's a sword, which goes in the blue arm. And there it is. So, and then there's the kind of rail racer-ish face, surrounded by orange light piping. The kind of big Voltron wings. The big arc reactor chest piece, I guess. And then here's the shield. And here's the sword. So yeah, it's really cool. If you can find this version of this train set, I say get it. But don't waste your money or your time on the Thomas remakes, and then the remakes of those remakes. They're totally not worth it. So, yep, there you go. I'm Spider Prime 1. This is The Unknown. And I'll be back with another review pretty soon. But until then, I'm signing off.